right equipment is key to making any job easier and more efficient, and Rayburn Rentals offers a full line of equipment and supplies for home projects to get your yard in shape and for wedding and event planning. Rayburn Rentals, we rent and sell almost everything. 379-6444.
And now, weather with Storm Surge 7 meteorologist Tony Derda.
Good afternoon, everybody. Rolling trash cans and dust in the air and rattling windows. That'll kind of be the weather scenario for the remainder of today. It's warm out there. We've got temperatures already in the low 70s. But take a look at some of the winds. That's the smaller yellow numbers here, and they're changing quickly and on the rise out of the southwest primarily. Look, we've already had a peak wind gust here, or a near peak wind gust, above 30 miles an hour at the KVI studios and 72 degrees downtown. South side, just about the same. Trade winds at 74, a south wind there at 24 miles an hour. Probably gusts above that by this afternoon and this evening. Over up to the northwest, it's not quite as windy, but this is an area under the red flag warning for today. Winds expected to be well above 30 miles an hour for this evening. 69 at Hartley right now, and a south-southwest wind about 15 to 20 miles per hour. Over to the northeast, 75 there at Perryton, a 12-mile-an-hour wind. Pampa has 76, winds not too bad. And over to the southeastern parts of the area, 77 at Wellington, it's 78 at Shamrock. Winds lighter on this side of the Texas and Oklahoma Panhandle, the east side, stronger over to the west expected. Hereford right now at 71 degrees. It's 72 at the Frost Ranch. Winds approaching 30 miles an hour there. At our SchoolNet site then at Hartley, we're watching this northwest area pretty closely. 69, dew point at 45, and a south-southwest wind at 14, but it looks like we've had a peak wind already above 20, 25 miles an hour, and it's just going to keep cranking up as deepening low pressure developing off to our west gets ever stronger, ever closer with the approach of another storm system. Let's check out meteorologically and see where we're at. Satellite and radar composite map, we don't see any clouds, we don't see any rainfall per se to speak of around the region. Temperatures right now climbing, 75 degrees officially at the airport, 76 Dodge City, 75 in Oklahoma City. Dallas not too bad at 66, Midland 76. Warm along the coast in the 80s there, Houston and Corpus Christi. And there is that trough of low pressure, again, getting stronger out to our west, and it will approach ever so slowly over the next 24 hours. High today, expect about 84 degrees. Normally we should be 69, so we're way above normal. Southwest winds will be above normal, 20 to 30 miles an hour, maybe gusts 40 to 50 before all is said and done this evening. Overnight low temperature with some high clouds moving on in, about 49 degrees. Southwest winds calming down. Probably the lower number by daybreak here at 15 to 25 miles an hour. The trough will move through during the day tomorrow. We'll pick up more of a west wind. That means downsloping. That means warm conditions through tomorrow. The approach of a cold front. It's behind our white banner right here, but that should be sagging into the region late tomorrow evening, possibly between, let's say, 9 and midnight tomorrow. Should be about the best time for that front to move on in. Temperature will be falling after that. A high of 86 tomorrow will be very warm conditions for tomorrow and still on the breezy side. So 84 for your high for today. Lots of wind, lots of sunshine. Southwest 20 to 30 miles an hour. Gusts above that. 85 down in Canyon, heading for an overnight low in the upper 40s to near 50 degrees, with the southwest winds still staying breezy, but fair conditions through the overnight hours. Now here comes that cold front. 54 on Wednesday might be the midnight temperature. Most of the day on Wednesday possibly in the 40s. Thursday, looking at the potential for some rain and snow showers early on.
I can't believe we're already talking snow and freezing rain.
And a dramatic difference between 80s now and 40s then.
All right, we'll
just
see.
like that. Well, just like that, the campaign trail can turn a little spooky for the Democrats. Divers get a dangerous surprise and clean up in aisle 5, 6, 7, and more.
Yeah, all right, take a look.